We are tackling mixture problems, a key component of the arithmetic reasoning subtest on the AFOQT. These word problems test your ability to translate a scenario into a mathematical equation. The core principle for all mixture problems is that the sum of the parts equals the whole. Whether you're mixing chemical solutions, combining coins, or creating a metal alloy, this fundamental idea holds true. A memorable way to organize these problems is to think ACT for success, which stands for amount, concentration, and total. For any component of your mixture, its amount multiplied by its concentration, or value, gives you its total value or substance amount. Let's start with a classic solution problem. Imagine you need to create 60 ounces of a 70% gold alloy by mixing an 80% gold alloy with a 60% gold alloy. How much of the 80% alloy do you need? Let's call the amount of the 80% alloy X. The total amount is 60 ounces, so the amount of the 60% alloy must be 60 minus X. Now we apply the ACT principle. The total gold from the first alloy is X times 0.80. The total gold from the second is 60 minus X times 0.60. The final mixture's total gold is 60 ounces times 0.70. Your equation becomes 0.80x plus 0.60 times 60 minus x equals 60 times 0.70. Solving this reveals you need 30 ounces of the 80% alloy. This same logic applies to coin problems. Suppose you have 40 total coins, a mix of dimes and quarters, totaling $7. How many quarters are there? Let Q be the number of quarters. Then the number of dimes is 40 minus Q. Setting up the value equation, you get 0.25 times Q plus 0.10 times 40 minus Q equals $7. When you solve for Q, you find there are 20 quarters. The setup is identical to the solution problem. We just swapped concentration percentage for coin value. A common exam trap is inconsistent units. Always convert dollar values to cents or percentages to decimals before you start calculating. Another trap is misidentifying the amount for the final mixture. If you are adding one solution to another, the final volume is the sum of the two initial volumes. Be careful with wording like